Hi, my name is Scott Naudio.
I'm fine, my name is Lizzie Rock.
Okay, thanks, please must go to have dinner tonight if you never mind.
No, Scott, and you don't know me, but now you have dinner with me, no.
Okay, Lizzie, but must call me if you change your mind. My number is 060-714-2376.
Okay, Scott, but I never change my mind. The Dise Life.
By xolani, khanyile.
Please follow this story.
Follow on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp and YouTube.
Hi friend, I'm not good me. Why my friend, me too, I'm not good yo. My friend, I lost grandfather yesterday friend. Oh Jessica, I'm sorry to hear about that friend. So about you, what happened? I saw other guy, he needs to go with me on dinner tonight yo. Wow, good news friend, so what wrong girl? No, I don't like her, he looks like Zimbabwe guy, no friend. Wow, and wow, that sounds like not good. Hey, it not fun friend. Okay friend, sorry, let's go to get something to eat please friend. Now you talking, let go friend.